Hello guys. To cancel your Zendrop subscription, follow these steps to ensure that your account and any associated services are properly deactivated. Simply log into your Zendrop account using your user credentials and you'll be on your Zendrop's dashboard. So what you'll have to basically do is, as you can see, it says if you need to cancel your subscription, you can do so right within your account via the billing page. Click on the pencil icon. As you can see, you'll have to navigate to your billing page first. So click on this customer icon. So basically navigate to this drop down menu, choose billing, and here you'll have to see your current plan in this section. Now to deactivate your account, submit a request to Zendrop support through the in-app messenger or email. Confirm your intentions and provide your account email. The support team will then ensure that all subscriptions are cancelled and remove saved payment methods from your account. Finally, click the downgrade button, and after deactivating your account will no longer be accessible unless reactivated, and all active subscription will be terminated and payment methods will no longer be stored. As you can see, this is the option to downgrade. So that's a simple way through which you can cancel your Zendrop subscription. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.